Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker pickup. I just showed you guys the Air Max 93s that I picked up, which are my favorite out of the two. But I also want to throw this review before I send these back, which it's not that I don't like these, I actually love these. The sad thing is they don't fit. Now if you're new to the channel, I did the review on the Comme des Garçons Nike Air Max 180. I got the all pink colorway, which I love. I had to get a size 12 in those, not 11.5, which is my true to size. And they fit me kind of snug, but like there was a lot of room in the toe, which I thought, you know, maybe it's like a Huarache fit. But the day before I ordered these in 11.5, and I was kind of worried, thinking, you know, maybe they'd be too tight, and that happened to be the case. So my sizing recommendation on this particular model, I would say go half size up from your true to size. So here they are right here, the Ultramarine Air Max 180. I wanted to address this before I start anything, is the craftsmanship on this one was not that great. The paint, you can definitely see all the stroke marks. I don't know if it was this one. You can't really tell now, but there was a big brown spot right here that I kind of took out. And then there was a black mark just going all the way down. So I don't know what that was all about. But I did get most of that off, which isn't that big of a deal. But on the Air Max 93, there was a bunch of stuff hanging off the bubble right here, like some plastic, like I guess that was like sealing off the air unit. But I just wanted to say the craftsmanship on these is not great. I don't expect something to be top-notch in quality. It's not gonna be. The felt material on here is pretty much just felt. It's not a suede or nubuck. Pretty much, I mean, the sneaker is pretty good. For $130, you're getting a really good sneaker, an Air Max 180, which is one of my favorite silhouettes. As you can see, you have like an infrared color right there. This is Nike Air and 180. My big gripe with these was the sizing. It just sucked. I had to get a half size up, not knowing, so I have to put another charge on my card, wait for these to get refunded onto my card, and then it's just a big mess. But you know, I'm getting a size 12. They still have a full size run on Nike of these, which is fine. So I was able to return these in 11.5 and get a 12. Now here's what I was talking about. Like, it's like really like distorted, really, and then like dark right here on the air unit. Like it was like kind of burned. It looked like. Really just the molding on these was a little bit weird. Here you get the outsole, which is my favorite part of the shoe. You get that translucent air unit and then the waffle outsole. And I just love the colorway on this one, to be quite honest. It's just white with this neoprene, and this is a booty system, which I'm assuming makes it run super tight because it has straps that lock you down in here like a Huarache does. This one I thought would run the same, but it ran true to size. So this one 11.5 was perfect. I had no problem. This one, it was just really tight. But yeah, the colorway on this pair is just so dope. I love the way that like Game Royal pops with that infrared in the back. And then it's like a white and like an off-white nubuck, or I guess felt, for this pair. Super nice. One thing I will say though is these crease super ugly, which is really weird because it's mesh or neoprene, but whenever you take a step they look really weird from when I tried them on. They kind of creased up really ugly in my opinion, but it's gonna happen regardless. I just can't wait to get that size 12 so I can rock these, because these are super dope. Just 11.5 was just a little bit too snug. So like I said, sizing recommendation, half size up or true to size. I guess if you have a really skinny foot, I would say my foot's just normal size. My dad can't fit these for the life of him. He's a wide foot guy, but these for me, they just fit a little snug. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this whole release that happened. They did a bunch of Air Maxes that came out. It was the 270s, these 180s, the 93s that dropped. And then for Air Max month, next month is going to be ridiculous. They're going to be doing the Air Max 95 in the OG neon colorway, so that's going to be super dope. I'm definitely going to be picking those up. And then of course the Sean Witherspoons and whatever else they want to throw out there. I mean, it's going to be a crazy month. But for me, just these February Air Max pickups that they're throwing out there, I mean, super dope colorways, and for $130, I mean, why not? Paid $260 in total for these two, which are just really nice shoes. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.